This is my Telegram contract, Pandit Invest. You can also join me or subscribe this channel, Pandit Invest in Telegram. This is my Twitter address, Prediction Nifty, and this is my WhatsApp number, and this is my website address, ritapandit25.in. In website address, I always put or post what my clients earn in options on daily basis. You can see in my website every evening. You can see every day my clients earning 10,000, 25,000, 6,000. All you report you can get in all my website. Till last 1 to 2 years, I am posting this. All what are the clients ever going to make profit every day. I post on my website. Now come to the point, that is technique of Nifty options, Bank Nifty option trading technique. So today we know what is an options. The option, it is a contract or right of contract to buy or sell stock at an agreed price on or before a particular date. Now options are two types, weekly and monthly. On weekly, the contract is expire on every Thursday, and on monthly contract expire on the end of the month, every last Thursday of the month. Now options are two types. One is call and put. If you think that stock price will move up or index will move up, then you can go with by buying a call. And call means it is also a contract or right to buy shares at an agreed price. And if you think that the price of the stock or index will go down, then you can buy put and put of the shares. So in the moment of upside, you should buy call, and the moment of downside, you should buy put. When put when call price moves up, then the premium of the call moves up, and when price share of the stock or index moves down, then the price of the put increases. The option can be traded in two ways. One is buying options, other is selling options. Today we will talk about the buying options. The natural options, the premium decay as time passes on or reach near expiry. So if you buy a longer strike price, the price of the premium will always decay on every hour, every day when it's come to the near to the expiry. For example, suppose Nifty trading today 10,000 levels on the 1st April and expiry is on 27th April, Thursday. The 10,000 strike price premium on the 1st April was 100. As time passes, the premium value will fall, and on 27 it will tend to 0 if Nifty remains between 9950 or 10,050. So this is the chart, the options time value. You can see in this chart, as time passes, the premium is falling and it's become 0 on the day of expiry. So if you trade options for a long time in same strike value, then premium will continue to fall every hour and every day. The strike price, what is strike price? Strike price is a predetermined price at which the share of index will be exchanged if the option is exercised. So now this is the what is OTM or ATM and ITM. Suppose the Bank Nifty current price is 21,000 levels. This is called an ATM, at the money. And if you trade in call, then 21,000 will consider ATM, and under that 18,000, 19,000 and 20,000 will be treated as in the money, that is ITM. And above that 21,000, 22,000, 23,000 and 24,000 will be considered at OTM price. And this is the value of the premium. For 18,000 call, the value will be 400. For 19,000 call, the strike price, the premium value is 300, and 20,000 strike price, the premium is 200. and suppose 20 and then 21,000 premium a value at 100. Similarly, 22,000 will be declined below 50, 25 and 5. So below 21,000 in call we will consider ITM, and above 21,000 we will consider at OTM. So in call, OTM price, maximum strike price, longest strike price we will consider at OTM, and value of the premiums of that strike price will be lower. And similarly in the put, that is opposite of call, that the 21,000 will consider ATM, and below 21,000 will be considered out of the money, that is OTM, and the premium is will be lower in such strike. And in the OTM, that is in the money, that is ITM, the value of the price premium will be higher in the case of put. Since if price moves 21,000 to 22,000, then this 20,000 will be considered as ATM, and then the premium will increase. Similarly, if price moves from 22,000 to 23,000, then premium of the value will increase, and this will consider as ATM, and below that we will consider as ITM in the call. Similarly is the opposite in the case of put. So longer, if you buy the strike price, in the case of if you think that the market is going to fall, then you can buy, if you buy the out of the money, that is below under the lower value of the strike price 18,000. So in the case of expiry it will become 0. On the day of expiry, the OTM in case of call, that is this one, will be tends to 0 on the day of expiry, and similarly in case of put, the OTM of the put will become 0 on the day of expiry. So this is the nature of options. Now the next important is volatility. How the premium price moves ups and down, it depends on the volatility, that is India VIX index. It moves and up. Volatility is nothing as magnitude of a stock price swing. High volatility and low volatility. India VIX is normal when it ranges between 20 to 25, and below that 13 to 88 it will consider lower volatility, and above 30 to 70 will consider higher volatility. Now come to the point, how to trade in the Bank Nifty and what will the capital requirement. If you want to trade in Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty loss side is 25 and the Nifty loss side is 75. The minimum requirement, if capital requirement is 20,000 if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, and standard will be 1 lakh. If you want to trade in Nifty, then the capital requirement minimum 30 to 50,000, or in standard is 1 lakh rupees. Now what we advise to the options our subscribers. Now please see the example how options trade makes profit. Suppose if you want to trade in Bank Nifty options and you trade, the loss size 25 per strike price and the PM is 100. If you buy this contract, the cost will be 2,500 per lot, and this is your cost price, and maximum loss you are going to lose only 2,500 in such options, not more than that. And this is the unique of features of the buying options. In case of buying options, the value of cost, or you buy the options, that is only you can going to be lost in maximum state. Now suppose the premium increase from 100 to 130, then you can sell. If you sell this one, then the gross profit, that is before brokerage and tax, 750 per lot. Similarly in case of Nifty, the loss side is 75, and if you buy such premium strike price which has rate 100 rupees, then the cost will be 7,500, and this is the only you can lose money in options maximum. So in options, the you can gain unlimited and loss is limited. Only if what you invested in buying, that you can lose, and the return will be unlimited in options. So similarly, in case of Nifty options, if you bought at 100 and sell at 150, then the cost profit is 3750 per lot. So this is the example how to trade in options. Now what we advise to our subscriber, suppose this is I call I given to the subscriber, and for example on 16th of July to buy 21,300 call of Bank Nifty on 16th July, that is above to 248 plus, and the stop will be 218. Now what is the indication of plus? Indication of plus means if the stock price or the value of to buy the price should be 248 plus, that means is the premium price should hold above 248 to initiate the buy, to trigger the buy levels. If you and stop the maximum stop loss is 30 points, what I give to our subscribers. And now this is the target. Suppose 248 trigger and it's running near 250 or 255, then we buy this premium price, and the target will be 300, 330, 70, 400 and 500. So you can buy 5 lots. If price reach near 300, then you sell this one lot. If reach 330, then you can sell another lot and trail the stop loss. If it is 330, then you can trail the stop loss at cost or near 300. And if price move above 370, then you sell the third lot and bring the stop loss near 300 or 330. If price move above 400, then book another fourth lot and 450 exit fully. So this is the method what we use and what use and advise to our subscribers. Similarly on the put side, to buy 21,500 put only if trade 335 above. That means if hold above 336, then you should buy. If hold above for few minutes or few seconds, you should buy the stock, buy this premium 21,500 put, and the target will be 380 and 430. Again the stop loss is 40 rupees, so maximum stop loss is 40. Similarly, this is also another indicator to buy put only when a Bank Nifty spot price is trading above 2160, or if put trigger whichever is triggered first. Suppose if Bank Nifty moves above moves below 21260 and the put on is trading near 330, so whichever is hit first you should buy. Suppose this Bank Nifty went below 21260, this is the first signal and holding below that level, but the premium price is not trading above 335, then you can buy put on that price with a stop 295. Similarly in the call, buy above 21,500 only, and suppose Bank Nifty trading above 21,510 and holding these levels above for first few seconds, or if you think that but call is trading near 240, not going above 250, then you should buy with a stop 218. So this is the way what we advise to our subscribers. Now the most important in this is stop loss. Many traders frustrated by hitting stop loss. Dear friends, the stop loss will hit only if Bank Nifty trade in narrow range. That is, if trade in between 100 to 150 points, then your stop loss can be hit 2 or 3 times. Then we have also a re-enter policy. If stop loss hit, suppose call you bought 21,300 call at 250 and it went below 218, then stop loss is triggered, and after touching 200 you again went to 248 and you seeing that it's again come to the buy levels and sustaining above this level, then you should re-enter in after hitting the stop loss. This is the method we use and we get benefit, and we make our clients made use profit, and you will also make a big profit in buying options rather than selling options. In selling options, you need a margin, just like a future buying a future contract. That means if you sell one contract of 21,300 call, it requires almost near 1 lakh and above rupees. But in buying contract, you can buy only 6,200. You can buy one contract. So that is the unique feature of buying options. And in options, the loss is limited and the profit is unlimited. So hope you able to understand to trading in options. If you like this, then please like the channel, and also kindly also subscribe my Telegram channel. And please, those who are new viewers, kindly subscribe the channel and kindly like the channel. Thank you for watching it.